Up before dawn, chugging terrible coffee, and ready to get into the water. We left the big boat anchored and took the speedboat to a nearby location for a group back roll entry into the water. I didn't get too much footage on this dive because the current picked up, and when that happens, you don't worry about recording. You worry about not smashing into something. After drying off and a little relaxing on the big boat, we were back out to our next dive spot. Seemed like a normal enough jump with turtles saying hello right away. But then, the dive had a whole new energy as we were surrounded by manta rays. All the footage I captured was while freely diving and kicking. I was never attached to anything, mostly because I don't know what to grab on the ocean floor. I'm kinda proud of that feat, as my adrenaline kicked in and allowed me to hold position and record these incredible creatures gliding effortlessly beside of me. As you might have imagined, this was my reaction to seeing 13 manta rays on this dive. Back on the boat for a rest and recounting of our adventure. The next dive was thankfully during slack tide with no current, and allowed for more detailed observation. I even found a flatfish. After a rest on the boat, we set off on the speedboat to Padar Island to enjoy a small hike with epic views from the top for sunset. Back to the boat, where we could settle in and nope! Night dive. This was a pretty active night dive, finding crabs, lionfish, and octopus and stingray.